Tired of your YouTube channel feeling more like a chaotic circus than a well-oiled machine? Let's transform the chaos into clarity by building a killer content calendar for your YouTube channel using Basecamp. First, create a new project in Basecamp and name it something clear, like YouTube Content Calendar 2020. For this will be your central hub for all things video. Next, we'll use the To-Do section to outline our video production process. Create lists for each stage: idea generation, scripting, filming, editing, and publishing. Within each list, add specific tasks, like write outline for video on keyword research. Under scripting, assign these tasks to team members and set due dates to keep everyone on track. Now, head over to the Schedule section. This is where the magic happens. Plot your video release dates directly on the calendar. Include video titles and links to the relevant to-do list within each calendar entry for easy access. Drag and drop events to reschedule as needed, providing flexibility. Keep all your video-related documents organized in the Docs and Files section. Upload scripts, storyboards, thumbnail drafts, and any other essential files. Create folders for each video to maintain a clean and accessible structure. Use the Campfire section for ongoing discussions and brainstorming. Share video ideas, ask for feedback on scripts, and keep communication flowing between your team members. This helps ensure everyone is on the same page. By implementing this Basecamp content calendar, you'll streamline your YouTube workflow, boost your productivity, and watch your channel thrive. Now go create some awesome content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks.